Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be checking out my new Gshock, which is the 5600 CMA-9, which is called the Breezy Rasta. So let's just get on to unboxing this watch. So this is definitely one of my favorite watches. I just got this some time ago, and it's a really cool watch because it's from the Rasta edition. Now let's just get on to unboxing it. It comes with a 2 years warranty and standard warranty. But let's just look at this watch, guys. It has like some of the dopest colors you'll ever see. I really like this watch. I got it for a good price, and I'll just show you in the description the price. So let's just get on to the watch, guys. It's a really cool watch. Look at the colors. It has like this orange color. The whole inside is this neon yellow, and you have this light teal kind of blue, which is really cool. And over here we have the watch face. Now getting onto the watch face, you can see there it tells you which day it is, it tells you which month, and also it tells you what date it is. So over here you have the time. This watch is a really cool watch. It's a Gshock. This is the standard Gshock strength, so it's a really strong watch. And this watch is up to 200 meters dive. You can dive up to 200 meters on it. So let's just look over here. This is the back of the case, so it shows you the model number. And yeah, it's a really cool watch. Let me just put it on my hand to show you how cool it is. I've been using this. It's something that gets a lot of attention. You get a lot of compliments from people when you're walking by. You can wear it with anything. And yes, it's definitely one of the coolest watches I have. Let's just see it over here. So yes, so this has a really cool color. So the neon yellow, I just really like this color. And you just see the blue. That's the resin. It's a resin finish, so it's not like those cheap plastics. It feels like this really luxury kind of feeling. It's a really cool watch. The colors are amazing, and it's a Rasta edition. So as I said, it's called the Breezy Rasta edition. It's You don't really get this everywhere, but you get it rarely. But it's a really cool watch. Definitely one of my coolest and my favorite watches. So if you get a chance to buy this watch, if you get them on sale now, you'll get them for quite a good amount. So guys, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe. Do check out my channel. I have lots of other videos.